What a beautiful and historic day this is for the Cham refugees community. And on behalf of our community, I want to warmly welcome you all to this groundbreaking ceremony for our future community center and mosque, a dream long in the making, now becoming a reality. Today is not just a groundbreaking, it is a milestone in our community's history. This is not just the start of a construction project, this is a fulfillment of a dream. For more than 4 decades, our Cham community has longed for a space of our own, a place where we could gather not just to pray, but to learn, to celebrate, and to support one another, and to pass on our identity to our children and our grandchildren. That dream lived on through countless conversations in living rooms, in community halls, in makeshift prayer spaces. It survived through fundraising dinners, internal meetings, and years of patience and perseverance and planning. And today, alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah. We are standing on the very ground where the dream is being built.
This isn't just a building, it's a safe place. A place where our youth can dream, create, and lead. A place where they will feel seen, supported, and inspired. A place they can call their own. As a mother, I see this through the lens of both hope and responsibility. I want my children, all of our children, to have a space where they can grow without limits, where they can learn from our elders, hear the stories of our past, speak the language of our people, and preserve the traditions that make us who we are. This center will be the bridge between generations, a place where identity, unity, and pride are not only taught, but lived. We are not simply investing in walls and a roof. We are investing in our youth. And in doing so, we are investing in the strength and future of our entire community.
We grew up seeking assistance from the community, seeking assistance from others, seeking assistance from this organization and that organization, governmental and non-governmental. We've always been seeking assistance, but now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to give us a place where the tides will turn, inshallah, where our community will be providing the assistance and helping each other and embodying the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah to try to be there for the people, to help others whenever we can, whether it's social programs, whether people are in need because they're in need of food. And that's what we are taught as Muslims. And the tradition of our Cham people are there. We're always there to help our neighbors and our community. And so this is a groundbreaking moment. But at the same time, inshallah, it will be the beginning in which our community, inshallah, will not just be asking for assistance and helping others, but we will be there for others also.